Brownies the other day, and I put chocolate chips on top of it. Good morning, everyone. This is what my road looks like. Look at how high the snowbanks are on the side of the road. Looks like they came by and pushed part of the top part over, but this is the snow we got from the last 2-3 storms. But at least the sun's out today, so I really can't complain. So I'm just on my way to Walmart. I need to pick up a bunch of stuff that I'm out of, some cosmetics, some toiletries. I will see you when I get back. Okay, so I just got back from Walmart, and I figured I'd show you guys my grocery haul before I put it all away. I got some of these tater tots, some wholemeal pepperoni to put on top of pizza, some celery. I got some cilantro to put on my salad. I got some of these smart ones, 3 cheese ziti marinara and 5 cheese rigatoni, some Charmin and some chicken quarters, some baby cut carrots, pineapple chunks, tomatoes, soup, some tomato, onion, and garlic pasta sauce, some au gratin potato mix, salada tea bags, Swiss rolls, and 3 different colored peppers, and honey turkey breast, 2 cans of tomato paste, some whole cashews. I like these extra gums because they come in this little plastic package that keeps them from falling all over your purse. And then I got some seasoned pork loin, and I got $2 off. It was regularly $8.04 and it's $6.01. I got some lettuce, and I got a cabbage, and some flat cut corned beef brisket, a symphony bar. I like these because they have the almonds and toffee. Some French vanilla creamer, 4 cans of tuna, pecan shortbread, these frozen chicken pot pies, they're really good, and some lasagna, and Elio's Supreme Pizza, some bananas, some stacks, cotton rounds, these are like, yeah, they are Swispers, and a Woman's World magazine, and some Cheez-Its, some little tomatoes, some cheese. My dogs love these cheeses. And then I got this one here for myself, and some ground beef. And that is it, guys. Oh, I forgot to add these few things in when I was doing my haul. I got some of this Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, and I got LC1, that's a light. I got some Butter Please SC nail polish, Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, and some Rimmel Scandalize in black, and some Total Temptation Maybelline mascara. I haven't tried this or this or this yet. If any of you have, if you want to put your thoughts down below on what you think about it, let me know. I wanted to show you what I got from Nogu. It's a beautiful 18 karat gold bracelet that I received. And this was sent to me, and it's got a little Buddha on it, you can see, and then it's got the little emblem tag. They make really unique jewelry, and it's high quality and contemporary jewelry at affordable prices. The Dharma Stone collection is handcrafted from 5mm beads that are hand strung on a clear plastic cord, And the Buddha bracelets are available in the silver, gold, rose gold, or rainbow colored unicorn silver. Each bracelet comes with a silver, gold, rose gold, or unicorn silver logo charm. This one here has the detailed Tibetan Buddha face on it, and it's got a stretchable clear plastic cord and a one-size-fits-all. I will put a code down below if anyone is interested in ordering one. I don't get anything for it. It's just a code they gave me. It's 18 karat gold finish on top of stainless and copper, and the bead size is 4 millimeter. This one is the Sunbaked Sedona. This is what the little nozzle looks like, and you pump it. Here it comes. And that's what it looks like. In the clear is just clear, so I'm not even going to bother showing you that. It'll just put a clear gloss on your lips. And the next one I'm going to show you is the Spicy Mauve, and that is it to the right. So there's the difference between the Sunbaked Sedona and the Spicy Mauve. They don't look quite as dark on the lips, in case you're wondering. Have a little bit of smell, but it's not really unpleasant. I really like these colors. I'm a nude kind of person, as you know, as far as lipsticks, so I tend to go for these colors anyways. And like I say, it was sent to me through Grande Cosmetics to try out, and so far I'm really happy with it. And right now I'm sitting in my makeup room, and I got the two dogs sitting here on the futon, and Ripley's asleep and Sophie's asleep, and the two of them, look at that face. Oh, you stretching. You're such a good boy. I love these two. As you can see, the sun's out today and it's not snowing, so that's a good thing. And I think the weekend's supposed to be clear. So I hope you're all having a great day and have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.